Elaine, John, can you believe it's only been a year since we sat on the Sky Lodge deck on that spectacular fall day? We had wonderful conversations. We had so much to share. And over the last year, your friendship, your camaraderie, your support has come to mean so much to Unity College and to me personally, as you've adopted me pretty much as part of the family, and for that I say thank you. It is no overstatement to say that Sky Lodge is a transformative gift for Unity College. At Unity College, we recognize that simply raising tuition year after year forever is unsustainable. So this enterprise education that we talk about is our way of holding tuition costs down and giving students real-world learning experiences by establishing various enterprises just like this one. And we might just help reimagine higher education and how to fund it along the way. Unity College biologists, many of you are here today, geologists, writers, artists, and foresters, welcome to your new field station, retreat, conference center, and by God, living laboratory. This is for you thanks to the Khoury Foundation and Elaine and John Khoury. To the seniors of the Moose River Valley Center, when we were approached and got this gift, we saw the Valley Center as an opportunity to continue to serve the local region. I have seen the quilts. I've even, against the rules, played with your bingo lights. And I was told not to, but I couldn't help it. This is my pledge to you as Unity College's president. We look forward to growing the Moose River Valley Center together to continue to be a place where seniors from all over the region have a home away from home, get to come, gather, be merry, and build a community. And hopefully when you see our students running around, grab them by the ear and make sure they behave. This tremendously gracious gift from the Khoury Foundation will truly enable Unity College to continue to transform what it means to be an institution of higher education and serve new and existing audiences who are eager to engage with our mission. Elaine and John, thank you. Thank you so much. I pledge to you that Unity College will continue the legacy of the Khoury Foundation by offering the chance for students of all ages to explore and learn in this Moose River Valley region. Everyone, join me in recognizing Elaine and John and the Khoury Foundation for their powerful generosity.